Hello everyone. According to AMP, the average household spends about $1,425 a week on general household costs. But how can you reduce that figure? I'm going to demonstrate to you today and give advice on how individuals can save and manage your own personal money. Many individuals graduate college but have trouble in the real world saving money because there's not a class for it in college. There's like a personal finance class. There is personal finance class, but like just on how to manage and where to put your money and what to do with your money. The main topics I'm going to talk about today will be creating a monthly budget, removing unnecessary expenses, and creating a savings account. So first of all, creating a monthly budget. According to preparedmamas.com, children will learn the value of money if they're involved in the family budgeting process. So first of all, you take all your monthly expenses, and you could do that through like looking at bank statements or just keeping a track of every time you use your debit or credit card. And you write them all down. There's apps on the App Store on easier ways. You can use Excel to write everything down that you spent your money on. And then you write down your income. And then you subtract your expenses away from your monthly income. And then you will see your budget. Like you'll see your balance. Sorry. And there's different apps. I use a personal one is called Fudgit, and that's really good. You can create like all your different, I do it monthly, create your months, January, February, March, etc. And then it tells you your outcome at the end of every month. So then that shows if you've got a positive cash flow or a negative cash flow. So now you've created the monthly budget, it's time to remove unnecessary expenses. There's different things that you're not aware that you're spending, like say pricey gym membership. The way to get a cheaper alternative to that is just do a home workout. There's thousands and thousands of home workouts online which require not even a dumbbell. You can just use body and core exercises. Maybe you've got a pricey cell phone plan. You could switch to a no contract phone, so then you're not having to fork out every month X amount on data, texts and calls. Or maybe you're just the type of person that likes to eat out often, let's say 4 or 5 times a week. It's typically more cost effective if you eat at home. So if you can go to the grocery store, get all your groceries in for that week, that's your budget spent on your food, let's say, and then you're cooking for yourself or your family. According to Wells Fargo, avoiding overspending can also help you achieve financial success in the long run. So now we've removed all the unnecessary expenses, it's time to create a savings account. According to Advantage Credit Counselling Service, having a savings account will help to give you a peace of mind since it enables a person to plan whatever he or she desires to accomplish in life. So when you're creating a savings account, the, let's say, rule of thumb is every time you get an income, you save 10 to 15% of your income and you put it into the savings account. And you can do that manually, so every time you get your pay slip, you just put 10 to 15% into the savings account. Or I believe there is banks that do automated, or employees that can do automated, like putting 10% of your paycheck into that savings account, so you don't actually see the money that you're losing out. Well, not losing out on, let's say, it's putting it into your savings account, and you can save the best off to have short-term and long-term goals. So you've got something to reach for. Short-term goals could be like maybe a vacation, or there's a nice watch that you want to buy kind of thing. And then long-term goals is when you want to start a family, you have to buy a house, maybe getting married, or you're sending your kids off to college. That's also an expensive cost that's going to affect your income down the line. So for an individual to manage their money, they should create a monthly budget, remove unnecessary expenses, and create a savings account. And managing your money ensures that you have enough money for your bucket list and to do all the important things you want in your life. And it also reduces your stress financially, because there's a lot of people in this world that are just stressed financially because they don't know where their money's going. So if you follow the 3 important tips on how to manage and save your money, I'm sure you'll be able to tick off a lot more stuff on your bucket list than you would have liked before. Thank you for watching.